Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get the game Polka Abbey. So this is for iPhone and Android. I can't show gameplay because it's the nature of the game, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you got to do is go to hexmods.com and type Polka Abbey. So as you can see, I can't type, so I typed in Pol, but it should come up, and there it is. So press the download, and before it downloads, there's one more step, verification. So in order to get the game, guys, you do have to verify who you are. This is done by downloading some apps, and it like tells the server that you're a good person, and if you're a bot, it would not let you through because obviously a bot can't do verification. So as you can see, it says missing files, so we just need to download some of these apps. So they're all free. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. This one you got to do this reward page, so it's kind of goofy, but most of them you don't have to do that. Like Family Island, you just got to reach level 9. And then Evertail, you just got to down run for 30 seconds. So just do a couple of these guys, and then you'll have Polka Abbey on your phone, and you can actually play it, guys, which is awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been looking for a mobile download for quite a while. Couldn't find one, but now I have one. So pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. So yeah, as you can see, all the apps here, they're going to vary according to country, but yeah, so I will see you guys later, but there is this video you can watch, so that can be helpful for some of you guys who need a more hands-on approach. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So if you want to play Polka Abbey on your phone, I would give this a try. It's legit and it's pretty cool. So yeah, some of them may suck. Like if Travel Town, if you like hate it, you could just do Family Island instead. But I'm gonna see you guys later. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it, guys, today.